everyone, my name is Fadumi Hussein, a student from Relics College, Omosho, Oyo State. Today we are here to familiarize ourselves with laboratory apparatus. Firstly, what is a laboratory? A laboratory is a room or building equipped with laboratory apparatus where scientists carry out their experiments. Some common laboratory apparatus are:
here is plastic cone and here is glass zone. It is used to measure the volume of a solution. Here is wash bottle. It is used to wash the instruments before and after use. Here is pipette. It is used to measure the volume of a base during titration. Here is our return stand holding the separating funnel. The separating funnel is used to separate immiscible liquid. For example, liquid, water and kerosene. Here is our weighing balance. It is used to measure the weight of a substance. Here is our burette. It is used to measure the volume of an acid during titration.
This is our Bunsen burner. It's used to produce a continuous flame during heating, sterilizing, and other escape processes. These are flat bottom flask. It is used for holding liquids or mixtures of chemicals during heating. These are spatula. It is used to transferring solids into test tubes during experiments. These are Richter stand. It is used to hold bread or other apparatus. These are petri dishes. It is used to hold solid sample temporarily.
A test tube rack is used to hold multiple test tubes in an upright position. And here we have our litmus paper. We have the red litmus paper and we have the blue litmus paper. The litmus paper is used as a pH indicator to determine the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. And here we have our filter paper. A filter paper is used to separate a solid particle from liquid or gases. And here we have a test tube holder. A test tube holder is used to hold the test tube during heating.
What are beakers used for? Beakers are used to hold a solution during an experiment. And here we have our conical flasks. What are conical flasks used for? Conical flasks are used to hold a reactant during a titration. And here we have our test tube. What are test tubes used for? Test tubes are used in qualitative analysis to hold a reactant. And here we have our triple stand. What are triple stands used for? Triple stands are used to support or hold during an experiment.
I think we have been able to familiarize ourselves with some of the laboratory apparatus. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a good day.